Hello and welcome back, to a first in two coins that I'll be doing in separate videos that are silver and are bullion coins rather than being proof. These bullion coins are Royal Mint coins. That's the Charles III on the back. These are 1 ounce silver. This one has a face value of £2, £2 bullion coin. It's 0.99 silver. It's £2, it's dated 2023. And this one is at Britannia. This is a stunning Britannia, and it's the one that we've seen for 2 or 3 years now. If you actually get the other Britannia, sometimes they change the pose of Britannia. This one is of her standing. She has a hand on a shield and the staff in her right hand. This coin, as I said, was the same as the 2022 one. This one is Charles III for 2023. There was, however, one also bought out, a Britannia bought out for Queen Elizabeth II for 2023 as well. So that one I've still got to find, I've got to get. But this coin is lovely. I do like these silver bullion coins. I've got a couple of 3 more to get for this year. One of them is the Charles's coronation bullion silver coin, and also there is one for Merlin as well that I know that's outstanding, and I think there's one more silver one to do with Charles. I think it might well be another coronation style coin, or it's his cipher, I think. Is the other one that I'm missing of the coins that have been released so far. But I do like this one. So, what do you think of these coins? Would you want one in your collection? I do love the silver bullion coins, and they're something I must admit I do have a bit of a, if I can get hold of them I will do. So, 1 ounce silver, £2 coin, dated 2023 Britannia. What do you think of it? Would you like one in your collection? So, there we go, that's the video over with. If you've enjoyed this video, could you please give me the thumbs up? It doesn't cost you anything. And also, if you've not done so as yet, and you believe I deserve it, could you please subscribe? I'm trying to reach 250 subscriptions by the end of 2023, beginning of 2024, by December 31st, 2023. So, and I need your help to be able to do it. If you believe I deserved it, then please would you give me a subscription. I am doing a minimum of 4, usually 5 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. Until we meet up again, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-da now.